Welcome to our full sewing tutorial for the fashionable and Prada-inspired dress, 69-6 loose-fitted dress with 4 bows in the front. First, cut all pieces of the sewing pattern according to your layout plan and sewing instruction booklet. You can find the pattern in our shop at sistermagpatterns.com. Press in the front pleats, as indicated in the sewing pattern. Make sure that the pleats are 3 centimeters or approximately 1 inch in width, all the way from the shoulder seam to hem. Mark the notches of your sewing pattern for sewing. The first sewing line is approximately 41 centimeters from the top. This measurement belongs to clothing size 36. Sew along the fold line until that first pattern marking. Mark the second sewing line. For this, you'll sew perpendicular to the pleat line across this pleat. Sew the second side, mirrored. Make sure that your sewing lines are on the same height of the dress. Use a ruler to make sure. To make the pleats long-lasting, use a wet towel and high heat to iron them as you want really crisp lines.